In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Mozilla Firefox when it's not responding. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to make sure Firefox is completely closed. On Windows, I want you to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Now, if you're using Mac, that's going to be press Command plus Option plus Escape. And then here, select Firefox. You can simply hit the force quit or right click on it and click the End Task. This clears any frozen processes before we try fixes. Next is, we want to start Firefox in safe mode to see if add-ons or themes are causing the problem. Now I want you to hold down the Shift key while launching Firefox on Windows or hold Option on Mac. What will happen is the safe mode prompt will appear and I want you to click the Open. If Firefox works here, the issue is likely an extension or a theme. Now, I want you to go and disable some extensions that you might have added previously. Go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and scroll down to Settings and go to Extensions and Themes. Now, all I have to do is very simple. Toggle off all extensions and restart Firefox and re-enable them one by one to find out the culprit. Okay, so basically that's it for today's video on how to fix the Mozilla Firefox is not responding. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next video.